Thank you. So, hi, I'm Ben. I'm a academic rheumatologist, and I'm interested in osteoarthritis, which is the most common cause of joint pain. Currently, we have no medical cure, no pharmacological cures for this. So what I've been studying over the last 6 years is a huge array of imaging that we have in UK Biobank, and use machine learning to analyse this imaging of the joints. So you can see the hip and knee up there. And what that's left me with is a sample of over 65,000 individuals where we have their genetics and their imaging. And that's what I've been studying, and I've just been awarded a Wellcome Fellowship to keep looking at that. But what I really want from you is, if people have got expertise at machine learning, deep learning, to be able to integrate imaging and all this omic data that UK Biobank have. We've got genetics, proteomics, metabolomics, and the patient factors to improve our understanding of the underlying biology and hopefully discover new treatment targets, and also potentially predict progression of this disease, so we can really target interventions at the individuals most likely to progress rapidly, which we currently can't do. So please talk to me at lunch or email me if you're interested in collaborating. Thank you.